Hello everyone, this is Mehak Upadhyay, a legal internet licensing company. Welcome back to our channel. I am a student of Campus Law Center, University of Delhi, a first year student. So in this video I'll be just talking about the feedback on my experience in the virtual internship program of Lexis & Company. It was a 1-month program, and it was a 1-month program which has benefited me in 2 ways. Actually, it's I was enrolled in VIP Pro module of this program, where my daily task were to write 2 articles and to make 2 presentation videos, and if there was some live session to do that drafting work which was given to us by the during that video live session. It's very clear from all these 3 tasks that all the requisite skills of a lawyer has been included in this 1-month virtual program. And the skills like writing, which is covered by article writing, the skills of drafting was covered by the live sessions that were conducted very frequently, and the last one, and the speaking skills, which is the most important skills for a lawyer, was covered by making these 2 presentation videos on a daily basis. I will start my experience with writing skills. The main benefit I obtained from this article writing was my increased sitting time and my typing speed, because for completing my daily task I was required to sit at least 2.5 hours per day. So that so by sitting continuously, it increased my sitting tendency, my capacity to sit for quite a long time, and even with concentration, because article writing cannot be done without any concentration or just without wandering off here and there. So it requires concentration, and that concentration should be maintained for the time we are writing that article. So my writing speed as well as my sitting timing was increased due to that article writing. Then the drafting. Obviously, the drafting is something that I as a first year student was not aware of, and the drafting assignments make me familiar with the legal work a lawyer is used to do in his routine work. It's something that a lawyer needs to do on a frequent basis. Then we come with the video presentation. In my video presentation, obviously it helps me a lot. I'll say this idea of the presenting 2 videos on a daily basis on any topic you like is the best of the whole internship program, because it's something that would benefit someone like me, who was not very much free to speak in the front of a camera. I was very earlier, it was past 1 month, I was not very frequent with speaking English, nor I was very comfortable in speaking in front of camera, but as we are required to speak daily, it's helped me a lot. My phobia from the camera has reduced. Somehow I know 1 month is not so long to make someone perfect in his speaking, but still it helped me a lot. It helped me to gather my thoughts on a daily, and speak randomly, because if one would speak just by looking at a screen, that would help him. By speaking with your own thoughts, it's something that is required, and yes, it's helped me a lot. So I would really thank Lexis & Company team to help me to get enrolled in this internship program, and has really benefited me in very much sense. That would really help me in my later life, in my career as a lawyer. And this was all I was to say, and thank you to the LEC team. Hope you like this video, and really do enroll in this internship program. It will really benefit you. Thank you.